Welcome into the recording of my Indian seminars, where you will learn the most powerful ideas from the 11 years of my chess coaching experience. While teaching chess into my remote chess academy, I've got a lot of students and friends from India. They requested my live training for quite some time. Finally, I gave up and made my trip to India. Of course, I wanted to prepare something very special for my friends. And that's why I united the most powerful techniques I've ever created into a few short but very practical workshops. My method is based on the fact that you need to study the right way of thinking. That's why instead of overloading you with lots of variations, my goal is to help you understand exactly how you should be thinking while playing a game of chess so that you can find the right moves yourself. Even though this seminar occurred just 2 months ago, I'm happy to see a lot of improvement for the students. Like one of them beat 2600 rated Grandmaster, another one won a tournament, and so on. You may read those success stories in my blog. Finally, when do you need to study this seminar? It'll be especially suitable for you in case your rating is in the range of 16 to 20 hundreds, in case you study chess without a private coach, and finally, if you feel that you studied quite a lot of various chess tutorials, but you feel that your chess results are unstable and you can't quite break through it. If this relates to your situation, then this workshop is right for you, and I look forward to see you inside. P.S. If you were patient enough to watch the whole previous video, then now I have a little reward for you, so to speak, an official part. Here, I will not promote anything, just a few interesting facts from my trip to India. Well, one of them is, do you want to know what you will get in case you win the World Championship title? Here's the medal. The FIDE Vice President of India rewarded me with the chess medal, which is exactly the replica from the World Championship medal that Magnus Carlsen got for his match against Vishwanath Anand. So here's exactly the medal that you will receive in case you study chess really well and win the World Championship match. Well, of course, in addition to that, you'll get a few bucks as a pleasant add-on. Anyway, now another story happened in one of the cities where I gave my simultaneous play in addition to the workshop. That was a really big simul with about 70 boards, which is really huge for a simul. Normally they make it on 15 boards or something like that. Anyway, I played that simul and managed to win almost all of the games. I lost only once. The next day, my friends brought to me a pack of Indian newspapers, something like this, including the Hindu national newspaper, showed me different articles about my workshop. And they've told me, now you're famous, you're a star. Of course, I was interested to see what's there in those newspapers. So I randomly took one of them from the pack and read the big title together with my photo right in the center of the newspaper. It stated, "This Indian person defeated GM Igor Smirnov." Hey, it was only one game that I lost, and I won all of them, all of the other ones, but they put exactly this one together with my photo right in the center of the newspaper, so almost like the loser of the day or something like that. Okay, of course I'm just kidding, it's just a few of the funny story, but in general the whole trip was very exciting and amazing. Okay, I won't take more of your time, so see you inside of the course.